Hey, alright guys, I welcome you to this video. In this video tutorial, we show you how to create a new user on your Google Chrome. When you launch your Google Chrome, click on the user in which you have before. Now click on where we have add here. Now you have the options either to sign into another Google account. Maybe you have another Google account that you want to attach to this new profile that you want to set up, or continue without an account. When you click on sign in, you need to enter your details of the account in which you want to synchronize with this new Google profile. But if you want to use it maybe just for something, you can just click on continue without an account. As you can see now, you can give it a name. Let me use a name for this now. Testing. You have the options either to customize it to any required color that you want. Let me change it color. Can you see now the color, the interface change from the previous color to something uh that look like a um bluish color. You can use any color depending on what you want your interface to look like. When you are done, click on done, or you can delete this profile. Maybe you have made a mistake here, but let me click on done. Since I have this testing now, I can use this profile. Maybe I'm trying to do something that doesn't require me signing on my Google account. If you find this video helpful, like this video and share this video to your friend. See you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.